how to use TikTok Q&A feature. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to use TikTok Q&A feature. So all you need to do now is go to your TikTok application on your phone. First thing, make sure that your TikTok is a business or professional account. And to do that, all you need to do is tap on those three touch up there and click on setting and privacy, click on manage account, and click on switch to business account. My account is already business account, so I can't switch to a business account. I can only switch to my normal account, which is a personal account. Now go back. If you tap on those three touch, you're gonna find creator tools and click on Q&A. And now you can answer the questions. You can just reply to any questions you want, and also go to inbox and you're gonna find questions from your viewers. This is it guys, hope this video was helpful to you, and please don't forget to subscribe and like.